Hi guys, how you doing? And welcome to my channel. And today I'm showing you some new wheel covers that I got from EVBASE. EVBASE has sent me some wheel covers before, and at the end of the video I'll show you a picture of the old ones and of the new ones you will see in here, but also of my old Tesla wheel covers and of my Tesla the wheels that I bought, aftermarket wheels that I bought for the Tesla. That was complicated. So this is what EVBASE sent me, a new design, and the new design I think should look a little bit more like the performance covers or wheels from the new models. I'll put that in the subtitles when I have the information. I'll have to look that up. I can't remember right now. So, and my videos are never scripted, so this is what you get. Now, I have to say EVBASE's covers that they sent me before were very sturdy, very good. And also, when you have a problem with them, they are good to replace them. So, let's turn one around. Conveniently, this one is turned around. I can see a little L on here. L stands for left side, so this one goes on the left side, is what I think, because there were no instructions with them in the box. And C and R for right. So then you can see this softest tape here. It's kind of like it gives in when you push on it. That did not come with the wheel. They send you a whole bunch of that material, and then you have to put it on the hubcap yourself, which is a little bit tricky to get it in there and to get it round. You know, that is a little bit tricky, and I wish EVBASE would deliver them already on the cover. And this is what I'm talking about. See, it just gives you a whole roll to put on. Also, the little centerpieces here, you can choose if you want them all black, and I think silver or red. There's red. And if you want red, or I think they have other colors too, look it up at their website, and you can choose for them those too. So I will put the link in the description to EVBASE's website, and you'll also get them a little bit cheaper if you buy them with my code. If I have a code, I think I do, you know. I am a little bit off today, so I think I do have a code. Okay, I'm gonna go put them on the car and we'll look at them on the vehicle. And here we are. So before I show the wheels in details, let me tell you what I did. Of course, I pulled these old ones here off. These are the other ones that EVBASE sent me. And look, this is the OEM 19-inch Gemini wheel from Tesla. And I think it's quite nice looking as well. What do you think? Of course, there's a lot of damage there. All those plastic caps over the years. But anyways, pretty nice wheel also. So you can see the brakes still pretty good. You know, calipers are nice and big in there. So I cleaned that off because I didn't want to put the new ones, the new covers on a dirty wheel. Then here's the last one to put in. And I'm not sure I can do that with one hand. I'll try. So you see how easy it is to put them on. So you center them. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. I'll drive the car out to take a picture of the new covers here for my wheels. And I hope I see you soon. Please leave a comment. Tell me how you like them. If you like the old ones better, if you like these ones better, let me know. And if you want to buy some for yourself, go ahead and order some. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. And as always, please subscribe and please come back to my channel. I have many other cars to show, and I bet there's something fun there for everyone. All right, guys, see you soon.